dull, shiny. Oh my goodness.
Howdy! In this video, we're going to learn how to make your landscape rock shine with Rustoleum's wet look. Woohoo! Let's go!
You definitely want to make sure to read the label on this before you start spraying your beautiful rocks. It's very similar to the Rustoleum 2x clear gloss coat video that I did. This one is different in that it is made for concrete. It also says stone around pools and things like that. Not only can you do your landscape rocks and your outside cement, like your patio, read the instructions on that though, it's really detailed. You can also do concrete on the inside of your house. So anyway, check it out. Woo-hoo! It is a UV protection, stains, water damage. Got it at Home Depot, Lowe's. Probably find it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure to read the instructions in the back. It says do not do in direct sunlight. Okay, this is direct sunlight, but it's also a cool day here. It's around 55 degrees. The sun just came out because there's clouds. So yeah, the rocks are not hot. And the proper distance to spray it and a well-ventilated area, like I said before, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, we're gonna go at it and see if we can get a wet look for our beautiful landscape rocks. Hold it about a foot and a half from the surface and start spraying. And make sure you're not getting it on yourself. Ooh, you can definitely smell that. Oh my gosh, look at the swath on that. Whew. Wow, okay, I'm gonna let that dry. Wow, those are beautiful already. Look at that. Let it dry here for a bit and then we'll check it. All right, here are the rocks all dried off. This dried pretty quickly actually, so this is just one coat, and I say these are definitely enhanced to a nice shine. You see that shine on there? Look at that. Wow, so cool. So I purposely did not move the rocks and do each one and then flip them over because I'm going to check this in a year and see how it weathers. Because it's literally, the summers here are very hot. There's 100-degree days on end. It's not as bad as Phoenix, but it is hot. So you're gonna see stuff like this. Yeah, see? You can tell that it has been, oh wait, let's do this. There it is, dull, shiny. Oh my goodness. Wow, pretty cool. So there you go. What do you think? Woo! Rock on, shine on.